It's a 2017 Chrysler Pacifica. This Pacifica is more flexible than the overachiever at yoga class. Simplify your everyday with a vehicle equipped for your every need. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated leather bucket seats, streaming audio, rear parking sensors, AM/FM satellite radio, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, and V6 engine. Cars.com reports the new Pacifica is sleek, stylish, and even more tailored to families with additional room and innovative comfort and convenience features. Get into a Chrysler and let's do great things together. Hurry in today and see it for yourself. You're not just a number at Cowles Nissan. You're a family member. We work hard to make owning a new vehicle easy, fun, and affordable. We're conveniently located at 14777 Jefferson Davis Highway in Woodbridge.